Happy Sunday everyone, welcome to a new homemaking reset video. And this video, a bit like the last one, I've put together little clips throughout the week that I've done to just help around the house. It has been 38 and 40 degrees here, so it's been really difficult to be able to do a lot of stuff. So yes, so Sunday, of course, we start with French toast. I love it. I got some brioche bread marked down, so I chopped that up and I cooked that for us. My daughter said she didn't want any pancakes, so she just got herself something else. I didn't actually really do much for the rest of the Sunday. It was like 38 degrees, so full transparency there. So Monday was then my homemaking day a little bit, and I started doing the washing because I hadn't cleaned all my Zumba clothes since last week. I have enough to get me through nearly 2 weeks, so I thought that I basically went through and used everything up, and I'm going through now and washing everything. Funny, not funny, we actually had a mini thunderstorm that evening, so I pulled it all in at like 9 o'clock at night in between the drops of rain. I didn't film it because you wouldn't have been able to see it anyway. Hanging up the washing is funny. Today was about 38 degrees again. It was super hot, so I've done the best to be out here with a hat that I found. I can't find my really big broad hat that I have again. Oh my gosh. This is also why I try and only have one of everything, so then I don't go, oh, I've got another one. It makes me really kind of look after some things that I have. Strategically hanging up the washing too, to make sure that I'm not flashing my underwear. So I've got them between all of the shirts on the line, which is why there's a lot of jump cuts in footage from time to time. Sorting out the little liquor cupboard for hubby. He's the only one that drinks in the house. I did a click and collect order and got some really good discounts, so I just wanted to put that away and just sort out the rest of the cupboard. I was just pottering around. Today's Wednesday and I did a couple of things after Zumba. I actually had a lot of content to film for TikTok and some other bits and pieces, and heaps of editing I did this week. So I didn't do as much homemaking things as what I normally would. So when I could, I just kind of picked up the camera. My hair is just lovely, of course, post Zumba. And then sorted out the pantry a little bit because no doubt the Coles 4-week spends are going to be coming back very soon, and so I want to get this organized and all together. There's just stuff everywhere. This is what our cupboard looks like after the week. Yep, these are the towels from last week. I told you I'm a very honest and real person. I just have not had the mental energy or the motivation to get a lot of stuff done. The heat just drains you so much, and I know that anyone watching understands that. And I've really been focusing on just doing enough to get us through the day, like basic meals and just the little bits. And I kind of save a lot of stuff for Sunday, but the heat has just been so annoying. So yeah, a lot of stuff has just taken all week to get through, and I figured it'll get done when it gets done. So just sharing, because if you feel like you're struggling, you're not alone. And yeah, it will get done, and it might not be done perfectly. Well, there's no such thing as perfect. But you know what? If it's done enough to function, then that's really good. Well done to you. I had to actually sweep the floor because I don't know if you saw last week's video, if I put it in there. As I was pulling the towels off the line, the whole thing fell off and all the towels fell on the ground. That was fun. So I've had a bit of a mess to clean up. And then I've just put all the towels and things back in the linen cupboard and given that a little bit of a straighten out. I am ever so grateful to you who is watching this, because thank you. It does motivate and help me myself to be able to do things around the house, so I've got something to share with others. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't get things done. So while I do say I am so sorry that I haven't been more motivated to do things, I thank you for the grace that you do give me, and that we're in this together. And if you're struggling, then I'm right there with you. And so it's just an off week, and hopefully next week we will be more motivated and inspired to do some things. So I am ever so grateful that you've watched here, and I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.